Is anyone there for the delivery? Holy crap, a dead body lady. Wake up, even if you're dying hit confirm delivery first they'll dock me $50 a hunger strike. You scared me for nothing. Swallow it don't force me to give you CPR. I had garlic for lunch who dares feed this lady cheap carbs. Low-grade carbs I saved your life since you're awake feed yourself. I'm leaving leave a 5-star review crap. My mom is here to drag me back to marry that fat pig well. Happy wedding excuse me I have 3 orders about to expire. You saved my life I must marry you. Take me I'll bear your kids? Are you crazy? Having kids will ruin my delivery streak. Let go Shen Chusha. Even if you die you are marrying into the Wang family. What are you doing with this delivery guy? Mom. You're too late I already sealed the deal with this delivery guy. Ma'am, don't listen to her. I haven't even touched her hand. My chicken is still digesting in her stomach. Break his legs and throw him in the river seriously ma'am. I'm just delivering food I have 3 iced coffees in a box. You paying if they spill? Drive or tomorrow I'll hang a banner at delivery headquarters saying you assaulted me and get your account banned forever you win. Get on. Hold on tight. My ride has a wild temper Chusha if you dare get on that trash. I'll ride right over you. Give it a rest this lady has a husband to support her now. Go. Hubby go. What are you waiting for drive catch them or you're all fired piggy. Faster they're catching up stop yelling. Any faster and my delivery box flies off. Wait, there's a dead end ahead. See ya this girl is a free. I'll let go of the throttle hit the brake left. Left this is too thrilling break the chains of society. My hero and my perfect attendance bonus is gone Shenchusasya. I'll kill you Linyi. You think you're a big shot now? Customers complained you were drag racing with a woman in a silk nightgown hello manager. I'm the nightgown woman. I'm keeping Lin Yi now. From now on I'll do his deliveries Lin Yi you became a gigolo just to skip work? I didn't let me explain manager it is exactly what you think. Bye. Shen Chuxia. You ruined my career. Listen if you're staying with me. You have to work bow 45 degrees, smile with 8 teeth and say enjoy your meal one bad review. And I pack you back to your mom. I'm a woman who runs a massive family empire. A simple service job is child's play. Why are you knocking so hard? For a ghost? How dare you your delivery is here kneel and show gratitude. Oh thank you for your royal grace huh? Crap my hot pot is totally spilled you dare mess with me? Rex get her a help hubby nice job idiot. I made 0 money and lost a pair of shoes Shen Group is offering a $1 million reward to find daughter, Shen Chuxia. Hump surprised? If you report me I'll say you kidnapped me damn you 1 million? With that I could buy 200 new e-bikes if you dare press call. I'll smash your long-range battery pack. You'll never get long-distance orders again my queen. Have mercy the battery is innocent. What's 1 million? Cover for me, and I'll give you 2 million cash really. Pay a $200 deposit first to prove it. My assets are frozen this is called venture capital. Right now this investor is hungry. Go get food. Linyi open up what's up with the reward in the chat. What's going on? Eat even with a bad stomach you must swallow my free meals. Help me out Lin Yi you're into such kinky games what are you looking at? He's my friend. I'm handling his affairs now. Take this cash and leave. Sorry Miss Mission don't bother us. Miss Shen, cancel the reward. Your daughter isn't kidnapped. She invested in our top delivery guy and fed him instant noodles. 10 million to leave my daughter never show your face in front of her again. Mrs. Shen, don't worry I'll pack her up right now. Want me to call a private ride? I'll pay the fare. My money you owe me my luxury penthouse mom. Give up I am never marrying that fat pig, you shameless, rebellious girl. Do you really want to suffer for life with a delivery guy? Yes and I'm pregnant with his child bullshit ma'am. Don't believe her. I haven't even touched her finger. I didn't even touch her. I'm still a virgin babe. Now she is denying everything. That's not what you see last night. It's all lies. Call the cops who does this idiot think he is, getting my daughter pregnant. I am Shen Wanshan. I am going to break all 3 of his legs today. You are my savior from back then? It is really you 10 years. And I have finally found you. My savior just this loser delivery guy? Is this some kind of scam? There are cameras here look at my clothes. I obviously cannot afford medical bills. Old Shen are you crazy? He is just a delivery guy Chuxia said she is carrying his baby. Shut up woman, what do you know? 10 years ago, if he had not jumped into the reservoir and saved drowning Haoyu, our family would have died out. I swore that whoever saved my son, I would repay them, even if it bankrupts me. Oh wait, you mean that chubby kid from back then? Actually back then I only jumped in to get my phone that fell in. He just happened to be stuck right next to it so I dragged him out too. So, are you here to pay me that rescue fee? Dad your heroic image just completely crumbled. And about the pregnancy actually, you are carrying our savior's baby? Yes this is absolutely wonderful God has eyes Chuxia. The best thing you have ever done in your life is getting pregnant with his baby. Cancel the wedding with the Wang family right now. Bring my Rolls Royce around. Wait hold on old man. What do you mean? From now on you are our son-in-law. Anyone who touches you crosses me. Shen Wanshan. No time like the present son-in-law today. You two are getting registered. Half of the Shen Group's shares are yours now. Who is your son-in-law? I did not agree to this. My money my life I am not signing anything not even a death warrant I need to tape my check back together. Uncle no need to thank me. Just fix this check. I am not marrying her. If I don't deliver this food they will find me. Our savior is so noble. Men, put our new son-in-law in the car. We are going to the registry office. Dad. I am not pregnant, it's fake. I'm not marrying a delivery guy, he's a psycho. Oh no. My car, wait, seriously, what do you actually want from me, sister? But your dad is dead serious. If I, a pure innocent girl, end up getting registered today, I will haunt you forever. You think I want to marry you? My husband has to be on the Forbes top 50 list. I will give you 10 million in cash to help me escape. How can you guarantee that? You could not even scrape up $2 a minute ago. I'll give you this limited edition B Bulgari as collateral. Just don't marry me. Once this blows over I will pay you. Now get us out of here, leave it to me. I know this gig well. High-paying task. Urgently need a delivery guy with a special escape plan wedding gift. Runner fee $500. What on earth is this? Oh my god. What the hell is that? What is this? This is your grand plan? Stop whining. Okay, where is the $500 order? I will deliver it, then take you to my safe house. Shh, quiet. They just walked past. I am going crazy. Look, starting today you sleep on the floor, I get the bed. Rent is $200 a day, utilities extra. Wake up, basement rent is $200 a day. Plus 50 for yesterday's noodles. You owe me $250. Until we cash out that necklace, you work. Today you run deliveries and I collect the cash. You dare make the great Shen family heiress run errands. 1 second of my business intuition is worth millions. Did your business intuition tell you that if you don't do this you'll be eating dirt for lunch? Listen, this is a VIP order. The client left a specific note, top secret, keep it quiet. Deliver to the penthouse conference room to Mr. Wang's in the white suit. Inside is extra spicy, extra smelly river snail noodles. If you spill even a drop, the security guards in this building will beat us to death. Got it. Please watch how a lady elegantly handles this business transaction. Everyone, the top note of this perfume is Morning Rose Dew from Provence. While the middle note is, behold, your top secret delivery has arrived now. Kneel and accept it. What kind of chemical weapon is this? Oh no, my image is completely ruined. No need to thank me. Consider this a reward for your fine taste. Remember to give me a 5-star review. Warning, your account has received an epic penalty. Wild boar hero, I am going to kill you, damn it. A $5,000 fine. If this necklace cannot get me $5,000, I will have to sell my organs. Look closely. You poor trash. This is a proposal token from the eldest youngest master of the Wang family, South African diamonds, limited edition, worth $3 million. Can your crappy shop even afford this? Are you crazy? If you break it, you cannot afford to pay, little girl. You have been played. This is a $9 free shipping piece of junk. I will give you 50 cents for scrap metal. Fatty Wang, you shameless cheapskate. You used a cheap street stall item to propose to me. $5,000. My $5,000, I do not even have my only collateral anymore. Come on. Come all, check out this fresh rich heiress, best deal in town. You cannot lose, ha ha ha. Lin Yi. This is kidnapping, let me go. Lin Yi went bankrupt. Guy's now selling rich girls to pay his debts. Step right up. Don't miss out. Hey, what is going on here? Human trafficking in public. Put that megaphone down, officer. It is a misunderstanding. We are just filming a street prank video. It is called Beware of Vanity. Don't buy cheap stuff. A $5,000 delivery guy is about to sell a rich heiress in silk pajamas. That is totally insane, officer. He is a lunatic. He blocked me and forced me to deliver smelly noodles. Shut it, I watched the cameras. You got on his scooter yourself and even lied about being pregnant. And no matter what you two are fighting about, using a cardboard sign to humiliate someone in public is disturbing the peace. Now, write a pledge of good behavior. And sign it, otherwise I am calling your fiancé with the fake necklace to pick you up. In your dreams I would rather starve to death on the streets than sign my life away like this. Sign this, and this lunchbox is yours. If you do not, I will feed it to the stray dogs outside. Fine, I will sign. I literally haven't eaten a single bite in 3 whole days, just you wait. Lin Yu, once I get my allowance back, I am buying your delivery station and firing you. Squeeze the left brake. Squeeze it, I am squeezing it. Why is it going faster? Are you blind? You couldn't pay for my car even if you sold yourselves. Well, if it isn't the proud heiress who refused to marry me, running away from home just to deliver food? Oh, Master Wang, is this your elegant ex-fiancée? Why does she smell like cheap gutter grease? Wang. You fat scumbag, how dare you show off your mistress, right in front of me, my sweet scooter. You're with me for 3 years and today you died. How much is that junk worth? Mine is a custom luxury car. Pay up 200,000, not a penny less, or you both go to jail. Lady, you did not just ruin my business. You are going to send me to prison to sew clothes. Pay him? No way, Lin Yi, this is the cheap scammer who got me a fake $9.99 necklace. So you are the bastard who ruined my life because of your cheap plastic junk. I got fined $5,000 and lost my scooter today. You owe me $100,000 for damages, or your Maybach gets smashed into $9.99 scrap metal. $100,000. Are you insane? You are just a lowly delivery guy. 1 phone call, and I will ruin your life in the city. Exactly. Know your place before trying to scam Master Wang. Master Wang. Call the cops. Yes, call them. Go ahead. Call the press and media. While you are at it, I will not only follow him, but I am also pregnant with his baby darling. How can you just walk away and pretend nothing happened? That is not what you said on the scooter last night. Turn that off. Turn it off. Ha ha ha. I will leak this audio to the local trending page, alongside the official appraisal showing this cheap $9.99 fake necklace. I already have the headline. Shocking wealthy heir uses fake jewelry to trick heiress. Angry bride runs away to join delivery guy tomorrow. This news hits the Shen Group morning brief. My dad will absolutely destroy you. Stop please, I beg you. I will pay. You have received $20,000. Nice job, that jerk deserved it. $20,000, split it with me. No way, your bad luck ruined my business. This money goes toward a brand new scooter. Not a single cent for you, Lin Yi. You cheapskate. Behold my new beast with super long battery life. I will deliver to every corner of this city and get rich today. Stop talking. I am starving. Order my 3-star Michelin lunchbox now. Wait, how is this possible? Must be a system glitch. How can I deliver all these? Cancel, let me cancel. Is the system bugging out? Someone is targeting me, Lin Yi. Do you still not get it? You crossed the wrong person, and now the system says you violated terms, your account is banned, and you owe $100,000 in fines. Good luck with that debt. Are you dead yet? If not, get up. It is just 100,000. Eat this. That fat scumbag dared to ruin my life. So tomorrow I will take you to his office and rip him to shreds. Hello, how can I help you? Delivery drivers must use the service entrance. Thank you. Open your eyes. Go look up what the Shen Group heiress looks like before trying to stop me. This is my personal assistant. Move out of the way, Miss Shen, please. Come in. $100,000 fine, right? Today I will make this office reek so bad. A decade won't clear it, Mr. John. Once we sign this $50 million contract, we will you champagne-sipping bastards taste our chemical weapon. Lin Ye, Shen Chuxia, are you insane? Security, call the cops on them. Do it, go ahead. Call them. Look at this. Everyone, this is the CEO of the Wang Group. He gifted me a cheap, fake $9.99 necklace, and when I said no, he hacked our delivery platform to ruin ordinary workers. Guess what? If this live stream gets verified as the Shen family heiress, who will the cops arrest first? You for commercial fraud, or us, the victims demanding our pay? I have nothing to lose. Either cancel those fake orders right now or I will deliver stinky canned herring to your office every day. I am counting to 3. 3, 2, fine. You win, I will cancel them. Wipe out those 100 fake orders on Lin Yi's account. Waive the fines too right now. See that? To deal with a hypocrite like Fat Wang, you have to fight fire with fire. I just saved your life today. Tonight I want wait, Lin Yi. That bastard Wang, that jerk played dirty. He used the security footage of us spilling snail noodles to claim we were inciting trouble, pressuring the platform to shut down our station's port. The dispatch port is blocked, and 50 of our brothers got fired. Lin Yi, I did not know he would be this devious. I caused this mess and I will fix it. He ruined my brothers' lives, so I am smashing his Maybach. Copy that. Got it, Roger. President Wang. Your company's delivery has arrived, brothers. Send it. My mistake. I will withdraw the complaint immediately and restore your port, please. Just leave. Oh my god, what is wrong with you? Mom, I do not want to marry a brute like that. Is this all the money? It is not even enough for medicine. As a mother, I am finished today. He owes me so much cash. If he just dies, who am I supposed to collect from? Swallow it. This costs $8,000 a box. Spit out one drop and I will sell you to mine in Africa. Where is your car? Lin Yi, did you sell your car? Bullshit, it got towed. Don't flatter yourself. This 8,000 goes on your tab. You idiot, now that it is gone, what are we supposed to do? What a tragic little couple. Break the delivery boy's legs, and tie up the young lady. Bring her back to the Shens. Let him go. You bastards, Mom. He just sold his car to save my life. Save your life? He is just taking advantage. Here is 100,000. Sign this clean break agreement right now. Do it. Or I will shut down your lousy delivery station tomorrow. I mean it, I keep my word. Fine, I will sign. Lin Yi, what are you doing? Did you just sell me out for $100,000? Exactly, miss, I could deliver food my whole life and never make that much. Who rejects money? Go back to your mansion and be a caged bird. Stop getting in the way of my cash. You are a heartless bastard. I never want to see your face again as long as I live. Lin Yi, you are such an idiot. Chuxia, stop hiding. The engagement banquet is about to begin. That delivery loser of yours is probably counting his $100,000 under some bridge right now. Ha ha ha. Ha, you received a special delivery order. Distance, 15 kilometers. Destination hotel rooftop banquet hall. Delivery fee, 1 bride. Delivery driver must wear a yellow vest. Come snatch me right now. If you are late, I will bite my tongue and end it, and leave you a lifetime negative review in your dreams. Wait, where is a car? Any car? Unlock successful. Wow. I did not know you could ride a shared bike like this. Out of the way, my delivery order is 10 seconds from being late. If it fails, it is your fault. Today is the day. Chuxia and IU, you annoying pest. Security. Get this guy out of here right now. Shut up, all of you, look closely. This is her signed contract to work off her debt. She still owes me 20,000 deliveries, plus $5,000 in snail noodle penalties today. Even if the gods themselves show up, I am taking my employee back. Uncle Shen. Try calling off this wedding today. 10 years ago at the South Reservoir, if I hadn't risked my life to dive in and pull your son out, the Shen family line would be gone. If you break this marriage for a lousy delivery boy, I will expose your ungrateful family to the whole city tomorrow. Guards, what are you standing there for? Throw this lunatic out. You're full of crap. What do you mean by that? I jumped in to fish out my crappy phone and dragged him up with it. You fat bastard, stealing my reward, where's your proof? You broke loser lying through your teeth guards, rip his lying mouth apart proof? I'll show you exactly how you're going down. Ha 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 ha. Using a crappy old brick as evidence, has your brain completely rotted away? Dad, shoot, I forgot to charge it. Sorry about that. But my crappy phone is waterproof and shookproof. When it fell, it just so happened to start recording the video. President Shen, let me explain, that's fake. It was an accident, you beast. Not only did you almost kill my son and even dared to use that rescue to extort me, guard. Pin him down, call the police, and report him for attempted murder, notify the entire industry, in 10 minutes. I want the Wang Group's capital chain completely shattered. I want his entire family begging for food tomorrow, benefactor. So it was you who saved Haoyu 10 years ago. And today you saved Chuxia again. I, Shen Wanshan Boss Shen, save the emotional talk for later. 10 years ago the lost wages for saving him plus inflation, let's call it 2,000. Today's bride-snatching delivery gig, plus my mental anguish fee and that $5,000 fine for the smelly rice noodles, it comes to 10,500. Scan or cash. I, Gao Feng, have noble character and treat billions of wealth like dirt, and only take the hard-earned money I deserve. Now this is a real hidden dragon. What is 10,000? From today on, 50% of Shen Group shares are yours, and Chuxia is yours too. Go get married right now, bullshit. I don't want it. If I take over your crappy company, I'll be stuck in meetings all day. How am I supposed to get my perfect attendance bonus? What are you doing? Let go of me. You skipped work for 3 hours today and still owe me 20,000 deliveries. Get back out there to pay off your debt. I'll dock your pay starting the day after tomorrow.